Okay guys, so here's an exercise, an interval exercise I want you to work on. We're going to start out here. I'm going to be up here on the 7th fret, okay, which would be B. And you're going to do, I'm going to play on the E string, and I'm going to play on the D string. And I'm not really playing the A string, it's kind of muted. All I'm doing is an interval. So I'm going to start off, looks like that. Okay, I'm on the 7th fret of the E string, and I'm on the 9th fret of the D string, and that's my octave interval. Okay, so you're going to run the exercise like this, and you're going to say this in your mind: octave, major 7th, dominant 7th, or 7th. You can say 7th or dominant 7th. Remember the 7th and the dominant 7th, same thing. And then I'm going to drop down here: 6th, 7th, major 7th, octave. So it looks like that: octave, major 7th, 7th, 6th, 7th, major 7th, octave. And I want you to recognize those tones like major 7th, so you can hear that when you're listening to an MP3 and trying to learn something. You want to recognize those intervals. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to shift over to the A string on the same 7th fret, and the G string on the 9th fret. Now it's basically an E. Before we were playing a B. And you can move this up and down the neck wherever you want, but in this case here we're going to do the same thing. Octave, major 7th, 7th, 6th, 7th, major 7th, 7th. But I'm going to add something here. Again, I'm using a thumb and finger because it's a little bit easier to do this. We're going to add this note right here. We're going to add that major 3rd, an E, and we're going to do the same exercise playing 3 strings now. And it's easier if you use your fingers and your thumb. Because I'm muting, in this case, I'm muting the D string. So I'm going to start there. Major, major 7th, 7th. This is a little bit of a stretch. Okay. 6th, 7th, major 7th, major. So run that exercise too. And here's one more in that same position. We're going to, it's like almost the whole E chord, but I'm not playing the D string right now because I'm just trying to train my ear here. So I'm going to lift up. I'm barring here now. I'm going to lift up. That's a 2. I'm playing the A string, the G string, and the B string. 2, minor 3rd, major 3rd, suspended 4th, or just sus, however you want to do it, sus or suspended 4th. So it looks like this: 2, 3 flat or minor, 3rd major, suspended, 2, 3 flat, 3, 4. So run these exercises. Say those numbers in your head because you're teaching yourself chord structure. You're beginning to develop what note makes the 2, the minor, the major, the suspended 4th. So do that, have fun with it, and we'll talk to you at the next session.